There you go.
Hi guys, I just thought I'd quickly film this unboxing of the bits and pieces I picked up from Stuart this morning. Let's get stuck into it. I really don't know what to expect. Picked it up this morning in person, which was really nice of Stuart to do that for me. Whoop. Beware of that. Oh wow. That's a nice touch. It really is. So that's all the packages. So I've got the... what's in here? Oh, that's the pins and the heat sinks. Special heat sinks that have been made specially for this job, with the special pins, all drilled and tapped by the looks of things. So that's a really nice touch, and I believe they're made overseas by another group member. And what have we got in here? Oh, there's my output transistors for the IPS boards. I don't know if they're matched or not. I'll have to do a bit of research on that, but looking at the quality of this stuff, like Stuart showed me some of these boards this morning, and they really are a really nice piece of work. So that's the ground lift board. There's the T-ground board. And then speaker protector. Quality of the copper, it really looks like it's a heavy grade copper coating on these. Another speaker protector. I'm building a stereo module. Power supply. No. Yeah, rectifier board. Wow, there's a lot of options there. So you can put you can have remote diode bridges or incorporated onto the build by the looks of things. And then into the main affair. So I've elected to go the EF5-4 for 4 output pairs, and these are the mirrored boards. Oh wow, there's more in there too. Oh, they're the IPS boards, so it's really well packed. Like anybody that's ordering from overseas, like this is certainly not going to be a worry. So there's the IPS board. I'm really going to enjoy putting this together. And there's the EF4. They really are going to look really, really good. Thank you very much, Stuart and team, for putting this together. It really does look like it's going to be a hell of a build.